Let us further strengthen our concepts regarding percentages. We have to choose the correct alternative. Candidate who gets 20% marks fails by 10 marks, but another candidate who gets 42% marks gets 12 marks more than the passing marks. Find the maximum marks. The given options are A 50, B 100, C 150, D 200. Let the maximum marks be X. Thus the candidate who fails gets 20 divided by 100 into X, which is equal to X by 5 marks. Since he has failed by 10 marks, we get the passing marks to be equal to X by 5 plus 10. Thus, the candidate who passes gets 42 divided by 100 into X, which is equal to 21X by 50 marks. Since he has passed by 12 marks, we get the passing marks equal to 21X by 50 minus 12 marks. Equating the passing marks for both the cases, we get X by 5 plus 10 equal to 21X by 50 minus 12. Solving for X, we get X equal to 100. Hence, the correct alternative is B. Choose the correct alternative. I bought 5 pens, 7 pencils and 4 erasers. Rajan bought 6 pens, 8 erasers and 14 pencils for an amount which was half more than what I had paid. What percent of the total amount paid by me was paid for the pens? The given options are A 62, B 50, C 62.75, D 62.5. Let the cost of 1 pen, 1 pencil and 1 eraser be X, Y and Z respectively. Thus, the cost of 5 pens, 7 pencils and 4 erasers is 5X plus 7Y plus 4Z, that is equal to C. That is the total cost which I had paid. Let this be equation 1. The cost of 6 pens, 14 pencils and 8 erasers is equal to 6X plus 14Y plus 8Z, which is equal to C plus C by 2, which is equal to 3C by 2. Let this be equation 2. Subtracting equation 2 from 2 times equation 1, since the terms y and z then cancel out, we get X equal to C by 8, which is nothing but the amount paid by me for 1 pen. Thus, the amount spent on 5 pens is equal to 5X equal to 5C divided by 8. Therefore, percent of the total amount paid by me for 5 pens is equal to 5C by 8 divided by C into 100. Solving, we get this percent to be equal to 62.5%. Hence, the correct alternative is D. Now, we can go ahead and solve the questions that came in yesteryear CAT question papers on percentages. Let us take the following question that appeared in CAT 2000. We have to choose the correct alternative. A truck traveling at 70 kilometers per hour uses 30% more diesel to travel a certain distance than it does when it travels at a speed of 50 kilometers per hour. If the truck can travel 19.5 kilometers on a liter of diesel at 50 kilometers per hour, how far can the truck travel on 10 liters of diesel at a speed of 70 kilometers per hour? The given options are A. 130 kilometers, B. 140 kilometers, C. 150 kilometers, and D. 175 kilometers. Diesel consumed while covering 19.5 kilometers at a speed of 50 kilometers per hour is equal to 1 liter. Thus, the diesel consumed while covering 19.5 kilometers at a speed of 70 kilometers per hour is equal to 1 into 130 divided by 100 liters, which is equal to 1.30 liters. Since it uses 30% more diesel. On 1.3 liters of diesel, the truck travels 19.5 kilometers at a speed of 70 kilometers per hour. Thus, on 10 liters of diesel, the truck travels 19.5 into 10 divided by 1.30 kilometers at a speed of 70 kilometers per hour. Therefore, the distance is equal to 19.5 into 10 divided by 1.3, which is equal to 150 kilometers. Hence, the correct alternative is C. Let us take the following question that appeared in CAT 1997 and 2000. We have to choose the correct alternative. A student gets an aggregate of 60% marks in 5 subjects in the ratio 10:9:8:7:6. If the passing marks are 50% of the maximum marks and each subject has the same maximum marks, in how many subjects did he pass the examination? The given options are A. 2, B. 3, C. 4, D. 5. Let the maximum marks in each subject be 100. Thus, the student got an aggregate of 60 divided by 100 into 5 into 100, that is equal to 300 marks in 5 subjects. Thus, from proportions, we can get the marks scored in each subject. For marks in subject 1, we get 10 divided by 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 equal to marks in subject 1 divided by 300, which is the total marks obtained. Hence, by solving we get marks in subject 1 equal to 10 divided by 40 into 300, which gives 75. Now, this 75 is greater than the pass marks, which is 50. Hence, the student passed in subject 1. Similarly, we can calculate it for the remaining subjects. Marks in subject 2 is equal to 9 divided by 40 into 300, which is equal to 67.5, which is greater than 50. Hence, he passed in subject 2. Marks in subject 3 is equal to 8 divided by 40 into 300, which is equal to 60, which is greater than 50. Hence, he passed in subject 3. Marks in subject 4 is given by 7 by 40 into 300, which is equal to 52.5, which is greater than 50. Hence, he passed in subject 4. Marks in subject 5 is equal to 6 divided by 40 into 300, which is equal to 45, which is less than 50, that is the 50% pass marks. Hence, he failed. Thus, the number of subjects he passed in is 4. Hence, the correct alternative is C.